May tanong ba ako? Teka, wait. Okay. AC, pa-cute lang. Of all your hair colors, which is your favorite?
My red. First time ko po mag-color talaga. Most of my hair colors are just brown, black, or
First
siguro
time?
konting highlights lang po. Pero first time ko po talaga mag-full color. Opo. My red. I love the red. Tsaka hindi po siya naka-bleach. So it's not dead. Yeah!
So yun, paano mo inaalagaan yung hair mo na parating
Gusto ko naging about hair.
kakaiba?
I just maintain it po. I maintain it every few weeks. My hairstylist at the tin also helps me. But I love it. It makes me feel so much better also. It makes me feel like me. So I keep it with me.
Tapos curious lang, may babalikan ka pa ba sa Canada? Or nai-uproot mo na silang lahat na dala mo na dito sa Pilipinas?
Hindi po, my whole family is over there. My mom, it's just me and my mom over here po. My brother is doing school in Canada. All of my cousins, my titas, my lola po is there. So, I always go back to Canada every year po.
At least once a year
Yes po.
may
Pag
dala.
holidays po.
Yun lang muna so far.